Friends, this is Dinesh Reddy. You are watching Dinesh programming channel. And now here you can see the Matlab R2020A, and then here you can see the current folder and command window, and this is the basic frame when we start the Matlab. And here you can see the workspace. And now we'll start, and here this is the command window, and workspace means here the values will be saved, here the variable, and opposite to it values will be saved here. And then here is the command window, and when we give some variable name, that is 3, and this variable will be saved here. Now we will press here enter, and here you can see a equal to 3, and it shows the value which we have entered here. And now if you want to not to get these things, we will use semicolon here, then it will not give any index, that is b equal to 23 onto semicolon. Now here you can see these type of things we will not get. And here you can see the value has been changed, saved, b equal to 23. And now when we add a and b, it will give answer equal to 26. That means the value here we did not define any variable, so it is saved it as an answer. When we define a variable, otherwise now we will multiply a and b, and here you can see the answer will be 26, but it will be changed to 3 into 26, that is 69. And here you can see answer has been changed to 69. So that's why we will not use these without any variable. If we use like that, we will get the error. So don't try to use like that. And after this, we will use some commands, that is clear all command. Clear all means it will clear the workspace window. When we press now, we will press enter. Here you can see the workspace has been cleared. Means the value of a and b has not saved. When we press a, unrecognized function or a variable, means there is no variable for this. Now we will give some variable a equal to, now when we press a, it will give a equal to 2, because here the value has been changed, saved. And after this we will use close all. When we plot some graphs, we need to close all the graphs. So at that time we will use close all, means it will close all that plotted graphs. And after this, and the main thing is CLC, means it will clear all data present here. When we press this, the command window has been cleared. And now we will see the matrix. How to create a matrix. To creating a matrix, we need square brackets, and after that we will use some commas, 1, 2, 3. It means it will form a column. And here you can see a equal to 1, 2, 3. One column has been formed. And then we will use another function b, variable b. Now here we will use semicolon, then it will form a row. Now you can give first row, second row, and third row. And here you can see this is with 3 column, 1 row, and this is the 1 row, 1 column, 3 rows. And now we will multiply the both. As you know, when we need to multiply a matrix, we need to use the 1 in m into n, and n into m should be common. N here, m should be common, and it is same. Now we will run. A into b means 14. Here 1 into 1, and 2 into 2, and 3 into 3. Okay, and now we will see. We will give another window, that is with both the column and variable, with 2 column and 2 rows. And here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in between 2 and 3, 1 semicolon, so it will form a 2 by 2 row, 2 by 2 matrix, and c equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think I am clear with today's video, and thank you for watching my videos. And this is Dinesh Reddy signing off. Bye.